लेट से आई है रक्षा।
Tell me, what is difference between the lytic and lysogenic life cycle, which we have studied in the last lecture? Rather tell me, what are the difference between lytic and lysogenic life cycle, which we have already studied in the previous lecture?
सर मेरी साउंड जा रही है?
आ रही है। I am listening to you.
हमको लगा नहीं जा रही है अब। ये
I think that you have not revised the topics which have been taught in the last month. You have not studied during the summer vacation at home. Revise all the topics which I have taught in the last 2 months, and now again I want to point out some important characters of the topic which I have taught you today. And the today's topic is, that is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are the smallest living organisms. They are the prokaryotic microorganisms, and mycoplasma are different from the other prokaryotes in the sense that there is complete absence of the cell wall in the mycoplasma. The living boundary of the mycoplasmal cell is the cell membrane, which is 3-layered. You know that mycoplasma have some important characters which I want to point out again here, that mycoplasma are the smallest living organism, and they are prokaryotes. They are without the cell wall. They require esterol for their growth. They do not reproduce by the process of, they do not reproduce by producing a spore. Rather, they multiply by the binary fission. Their cell membrane has cholesterol and cholesterol ester, like some animals, in this character. The mycoplasma has similarity with the eukaryotic cell membrane in having the cholesterol and cholesterol ester, which are found in the cell membrane of some animal. The other very important character of the mycoplasma is that they are highly pleomorphic. They are highly pleomorphic, which means that they are highly variable in their shape. Their shape may vary from spherical to the highly branched filamentous structure. And this mycoplasma appears like a fried egg. इनका अपीयरेंस कैसा होता है? फ्राइड एग की तरह ये इनका अपीयरेंस होता है. ये these mycoplasma are insensitive to the penicillin because the penicillin is the antibiotic which acts on the cell wall, and in case of mycoplasma, cell wall is absent. Therefore, this all mycoplasmas are insensitive to the penicillin, and they are sensitive to other antibiotics like tetracycline. And beside this, the factors include they are esterol for their growth. I have said again, I have already repeated it. They cannot pass through the bacterial filter. Because the bacteria. So they are, this character shows that they are very, very.
सर
साउंड
हमेशा इसमें पुअर कनेक्शन, इंटरनेट पुअर कनेक्शन. सर वो जूम सही है, इसमें ज्यादा शायद.
Mycoplasma, again listen to me, mycoplasma are much smaller than the bacteria, and they can they can pass through the bacterial filter. And the smallest they are very, very small in size. And the best example I have shown, I have pointed out here, that Mycoplasma hominis is 0.33 millimicron in size. And this mycoplasma appears like a fried egg in appearance. Let us see the structure here. Mycoplasma, the mycoplasma can be transmitted by the grasshopper in case of plant diseases. Mycoplasma can be transmitted through the grasshopper in case of plant diseases. Now let us look at the structure. Let us look at the whiteboard. See here at the whiteboard. Is the diagram visible to you? Daraksa, hello. Diagram दिख रहा है यहाँ? Hello. Hello.
सर स्ट्रक्चर क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
दिख रहा है स्ट्रक्चर देखो. दिखा?
यस सर दिखा.
ये स्ट्रक्चर है. This is the structure of mycoplasmal cell. The mycoplasmal cell here remains bounded by the cell membrane, which is 3 layered. Look here, the cell membrane has been shown in the black ink, and now this look inside the double stranded circular DNA has been shown in the red ink, and beside this, the cell has a number of 70S type of ribosomes, and this also shows dotted line shows the cytoplasm. Besides this, there are various types of enzymes, proteins, lipids are found in the cells of the mycoplasma. This structure appears like a fried egg and mycoplasma, and you know that mycoplasma was first discovered by Lumiere. Mycoplasma was first discovered locally, and the term mycoplasma was coined by the Novak in 1900. Mycoplasma was discovered in 1988, and the name mycoplasma was coined by the Novak in 1999. And Doe et al. Reported yellow diseases in plants in 1967. And I want to remember at least three examples of the mycoplasmal disease. One of them is the plant in animal, and still another in the most common example of the plant disease caused by the mycoplasma is the little leaf of brinjal, which you have to study in your group B plant pathology. And the most common disease, the most common example of the mycoplasmal disease in the animal, I have already described that the bovine pleuropneumonia in animal, and the most common example of human diseases caused by this mycoplasma is the pneumonia caused in the human being, caused by the mycoplasma humanis. So this is all about the today.
सर ये साउंड वाइब्रेट हो रहा है आपका साउंड पे.
Okay, I will upload a note on the mycoplasma in an hour, and you must go through the notes. And I may upload an audio lecture, or I may upload an audio lecture of the audio lecture on this topic, which you may listen, and you may go through the notes, which I will share with you in the form of link, and copy the notes from the PDF in your notebook and notes. And if you have any problem, you may get your problem cleared in the next lecture. There will be two lectures on the mycoplasma. In this lecture, I have described the definition, general characters, shape, and size of mycoplasma. In the next lecture, and disease caused by the mycoplasma. Till then, this lecture has come.